Shake your groove thing, yeah, yeah. Show 'em how we do it now. Shake your groove thing, yeah, yeah. Show 'em how we do it now.
Hi guys, so I thought this would be a good way to start off the holidays, well not holidays, but Halloween and whatnot, good costume ideas. So I do have an Everyday Disney series, but this is a very special video because it is based off of an extremely goofy movie and I'm doing extremely two characters. That was kind of a fail. But anyways, I'm just taking Soul from the Norvina palette. I decided to start off with the character from the extremely goofy movie, and she is the poet girl. She's the beret girl. I mean, she doesn't have a name. I looked her up and they just call her the beret girl in the cafe. So she's the poet girl who has a crush on Max's friend. So I love her. I've always loved her since I was little. I just feel like she's very sexy and everyone wanted to be her. Like, I know I did. That's maybe why I have red hair now. Who knows? But anyways, I'm using Soul because this color looks like a similar color to hers. So like I said, this is an Everyday Disney look, which means all these looks are very easy to achieve. So if you are wearing this for Halloween or if you just want to cosplay, this is going to be really simple. I just created a little oval shaped eye and now I'm just using a felt tip liner to line my eyes with sexy wings like hers. So like I said, very easy. You don't need the Norvina palette to create this look. You just use any purpley lilac eyeshadow that you have and it will definitely mesh well with the look of the Poet Cafe beret girl. I wish they gave her a name. That would have been nice, but I guess she wasn't a really big role in the movie. But I thought, this is different. I love the Goofy movie. You guys seem to really love my Roxanne Goofy movie look, and I think it's just because it's so easy to achieve and it's very cute, and this is a very last minute and perfect like Halloween look or cosplay if you're just getting into cosplay. You know what I mean? So now I'm just taking a little bit black liner and lining my water lines with that. And I'm just going to add a little bit of mascara after I'm done lining my water lines, like now that they look nice, black and sultry. I'm not really putting lashes or anything like that on because these characters aren't super glamorous. You can just tell they're just normal. If they were people, they're just wearing like regular makeup, but since they are dogs, it's a little different. So just like in the Roxanne tutorial, I am making my nose. Now her nose is a lot darker than most of the noses in the movie. So she kind of has like a blackish brown nose and Roxanne has like a cute little brown nose. So I'm just taking a little bit of black and then adding, like I'm smudging it with my finger. And after I'm done smudging it, I just take a little bit of brown eyeshadow to kind of not make it completely black. So I just keep smudging, adding more liner and brown eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take the liquid lipstick by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Craft. I know it's upside down. I'm sorry about that, but you get the gist. And her lips are huge, so I made my lips really big. My camera cut off the first part, but just make your lips like a very round shape like I'm doing right now. I kind of went over it again for you guys. I have a very big Cupid's bow, so you can tell that I'm overlining my lips, but that's the look. I wouldn't do that with my lips normally, but this is a tutorial on cosplay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the first look, the Poet Girl. She's awesome. So now we're going to move on to Goofy's lover. Which is Sylvia. I love her. So this one's going to be a lot quicker and faster. So I'm just going to kind of skim through it very quickly. Just draw on a nose. There's not really anything different to this look other than just lighter makeup. So use your imagination. So you're just going to want to make yourself have like a cute lighter nose. And just light eye makeup. So what I'm doing here is just taking a normal brown shade and kind of creating the same oval shaped crease or just eye shape, and it's just to make it more cartoony. But like I said, you don't have to overdo it. This one is really easy, so I'm just skimming through this look really quickly. And you're just going to want to blend that in. Just use any brown eyeshadow. And she's a librarian. She's not very out there. The Poet Girl, her makeup was more out there. So this one's very easy. You can't really mess up. Then I'm just creating a very natural wing, almost as if my eyes are this shape, but it's just liner doing that. So it's not really that neat, because I'm just going to go in with a little bit of faded black liner just to make it more sharp. Like I said, it doesn't have to be neat. You're almost making it look like the appearance of this is just how your eyes look. So I'm doing the same on the other side. Make sure when you do the nose, you keep it like a lighter brown, because her nose is brown. I wonder what type of dog she is. But I love Sylvia. Like, my favorite part in the movie is her and Goofy's dance scene. Comment below what your favorite scene is. So just add a little bit of mascara and that's it. This is super easy. Get a group of friends and you guys can all be part of an extremely goofy movie. But anyways, I love you guys and I will see you in my next video. Bye!